In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Barclays Bank debit card for 2025, following a simple step-by-step approach. Applying for a debit card might seem like a daunting task, especially with all the digital hoops to jump through, but I promise, by the end of this guide, you'll find it extremely straightforward. First, you'll need to visit the official Barclays website. Open your preferred browser on either your computer or mobile phone and type in the web address barclays.co.uk. It's very important to ensure that the website URL begins with HTTPS and includes a padlock icon. This is your guarantee that the site is secure and your personal information is protected. Once you're on the Barclays homepage, the next step is to choose or open a Barclays current account. Having a current account is essential because the debit card is linked to this account. If you already have a current account with Barclays, you're on track and can skip ahead a little. But if you don't yet have one, don't worry. Let me walk you through the steps to get you set up. Look for the section labeled Bank Accounts on the Barclays website, then navigate to Current Accounts. Here, you'll see different account options like the Everyday Account, Premier Account, or the Student Account. Depending on your needs, you can select the account that best fits your situation. For instance, the Everyday Account is perfect for the general public, while the student account may offer some advantages for those in university. Once you've decided on the type of current account you prefer, simply click on Apply Now to start the online application process. Barclays will guide you through the specific requirements needed for each type of account, such as personal identification and proof of address. Fill in the application accurately and honestly to avoid any hitches. After you submit your application, Barclays will process your details. On approval, they'll open your account, and the debit card should be automatically issued to you. This means you don't need to make a separate application for the debit card itself. Everything is integrated seamlessly. Your new debit card will soon be on its way to your provided address, typically arriving within a few business days, depending on postal efficiency in your area. I hope this guide has made it easier for you to understand how to apply for a Barclays Bank debit card. Remember, having your card means you can access your money conveniently, whether you're paying in stores, online, or at ATMs. Keep an eye on your purchases and manage your budgeting with this handy financial tool. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to catch up with more guides for your financial journey.